So, you want to buy a house, but you need to improve your financial health in order to do so. Well, good news for you. You came to the right video. The first thing you're going to want to do is to take a look at your credit score. And if you have some work to do on that credit score, there's a couple different things that you can do to help boost that depending on your situation. If you have bad credit and not no credit from having too much debt or late payments, collections, and other bad things on your account, the best thing that you can do for that is to create yourself a budget. Take the amount of income you currently make and figure out exactly how much debt you have. See how much exposable income you have at the end of each month after paying all of your bills before paying any of your debts. And then manage it and assess to see how much you can put towards each, and take weight to the ones that are going to be quicker and easier to pay off. This isn't a perfect science. This is more of a philosophy. I think of it as those small wins that build momentum. Getting that small win under your belt is going to give you the encouragement to keep pushing through and keep working on that credit score, because it's tough paying off debt. It really sucks, but you feel really good at the end of it. So attacking some of the smaller ones first can be a good way to get those wins under your belt, so that way you can really appreciate going after the bigger ones, because they're going to take a lot more time. If you do have some lates on your account or some things in collection, those are going to take precedence over things that you're just in debt for. You want to make sure that all accounts are up to date and current. It's going to be your very first step that you're going to want to take. So this is where things get tough, guys. So you're looking at the bank account and you're realizing there's not extra money to be able to start cutting off some of this debt. So at that point, this is when you got to look at yourself and you got to ask yourself the tough questions. What things are not necessary for me to live my life, and can I start cutting out to start saving some money where I can? This can be simple and small things, like reducing the amount of streaming accounts that you have, Netflix, Hulu, and HBO. Maybe just go down to Netflix. This can be looking at some of your bigger expenses and seeing where you can shave dollars off, like reevaluating your car insurance and getting some new quotes to see if maybe your good driving record or getting a little older has benefited you to some lower rates. Take a look at some easier expenses, like how many times per week you're eating out. Maybe buy some extra groceries in the house, or maybe a couple less stops at the convenience store to grab that energy drink or coffee. If you're not willing to do those things, that's fine. I get it. And you just need to shift your mindset into how can you make more income. Get a remote part-time job. Do some hustling on the side on eBay. Find your niche and get it. Whatever you decide to do, go the extra mile when you do it.